Hello, my name is Cindy Pacheco. I'm a pre-sales software specialist, and today I'm going to show you how to create a contract using the contract builder in the Contract Management Anywhere software. So from the left-hand navigation menu under Operations, you would select Contract Builder, which is going to be the second to last option. In here, you have to choose what organization you want to build a contract under. And then you choose your contract template, and the admin is in charge of creating different contract templates, so that would have to be configured ahead of time. Once you choose your contracts template, then it will show you the template fields that need to be filled in. So you would just quickly fill in all of these fields. Okay, so I just added in some, if before pressing save, you want to preview what the document would look like to ensure that all the formatting is correct, you'd press preview. It will download a version of the document for you, which I'll pull up now just so you can see what that would look like. So here is the document. As you can see, it will fill in all of the information that you provided. So for example, I provided the start date of March 30th, 2026. So any part of the template that had the start date variable would then be filled in with that date. Let's say you preview it and everything doesn't look good. You can use an updated document edited after the preview, and you just, after editing that in your Word document, you would choose the file here and then press save. So everything looked good to me, so I'm just going to save. So as you see, you get the toast pop-up that says data added successfully. So what this does is it creates a contract record in the Contract Management Anywhere system. Contract Management Anywhere is integrated with DocuSign. So once this contract has been successfully created, it will immediately send the document to both the client and the admin for a signature. And they will then have to review the document from their email and sign it using DocuSign. The contract will remain as a draft in the system until both of those parties sign. Once that signing is completed, the system will update the contract status automatically to active, and then this contract can be fully managed, monitored, and reported within the Contract Management Anywhere system. And just as a heads up, while it is integrated with DocuSign, we can also add other signature providers if that is a business requirement of yours. But that is everything I wanted to show you with Contract Builder. I hope you have a great day and thank you for your time.